Fiverr inbox, why it's important for you to communicate with people who are actually messaging you. Let me show you what kind of inbox offers I get all the time. As you can see, I give offers to people all the time when they actually message me. Right here we have one who actually rejected one of my offers, but this is rare. Most of the time, people who actually talk to me do get something, and I usually sell them some kind of a package. And the reason for that is quite simple. Let me actually explain to you. First off, when somebody goes about and sends you a message, it means they are a prospective buyer. When you have a prospective buyer who is talking to you, it means they're interested in your service, but they're really not sure yet if they should actually take it from you or somebody else. A lot of times they're price shopping. When that happens, they're shopping for the price that's not actually the cheapest, but the one that's going to give them the best service for the money they'll actually be spending for that specific service. So for you to win, you have to assume they're price shopping with a bunch of different competitors. And what is important to them is a few different factors, including the quality of the service they get, how much they pay for it, and the fast amount of time that this product is going to be delivered to them. Since we are selling them a virtual product, it means delivery is one of the most important things that they are actually looking for. So when they actually send you a message, your number one job to convince them that you have the best possible product out there. You can give it to them at the fastest possible time. They're getting the most value they can for the amount of money that they actually pay for. If you can do all three of those at once, and you can tell them that you will do this deal right now, and you can just offer it to them, a lot of times they will take the offer. So what I actually do, I talk to them, and then I actually send them a custom offer. Let me show you how I actually do this. I go into it, and then when I keep on talking to them, eventually I pressed on create an offer. And here what you can actually do, you can just select the kind of offer you want to actually give them, the kind of gig you actually want to actually do. Let me do this one here. Then in the description itself, you're going to describe what you're going to be giving them. And here is the kicker here. You want to price your services. So a lot of times when I actually give them a custom offer, I don't give it to them for $5. This is something I try to sell them a reasonable package for their own needs. So some people, $25, that might actually cover the services. Other people, it could be a lot higher. It could be $60. It could be a lot more. But they know that when they're getting something from me, they're getting a very good deal. And the deal they're getting from me, they can't get it anywhere else, because I'm going to save them time. I'm going to save them money. And to top it off, I'm going to give them the best kind of quality when it comes to them spending money as well, and they're going to get it very fast. So if you can do the same thing, you will get, and you're going to win almost every kind of a prospective sales offer that comes to you.